Greetings from Austin, Texas. We're at a data center project here with multiple data halls utilizing our new DynaMax structural aluminum grid system. And we're going to step in that door back there. There's a 2,300 square foot data hall that's going in using the DynaMax. And we're going to talk to the guys at Lasko Interiors. And they have really done a great job with this installation. And they can't be more complimentary of how fast the DynaMax grid system goes up. So let's go check it out. When the contractor laid out this 2x2 data hall, they left repeating 4x4 openings down the center of the room. Going wall to wall with the 4x4s in the middle made it easy to alter the middle later for ultimate hot aisle containment areas. Now, they're going to go back and take out most of the 4-foot cross tees so they can create 20-foot long by 4-foot wide hot aisle containment zones, then utilize 4-foot and 2-foot cross tees to frame out alternating 5'6" modules that will receive panels between the hot aisle containment runs. And I have Angel Reyes here. He's the superintendent with Lasko doing this project. And tell me about the project, how it's worked for you. How's the DynaMax working?
The DynaMax worked excellent. It's actually easy to use. I thought it was going to be a lot harder at the beginning, but once you put everything together, all the bits and pieces, it actually worked out a lot easier than I thought it was going to be.
Yeah, so you said you have 3 installers that were here over 3 days?
Yes, sir. 3 installers, 3 days, and we stick framed everything, and we think it came out great.
And one of the big things about this system that's a little different is the aligning notches in the main runners and cross tees and the nubs and all of the hanging brackets. It serves as a layout stick. So, where typically you would build ladders on tables and raise full 12-foot sections up into place with traditional systems, we designed our systems to be done that way, but it's really, really awesome to see here they're able to actually stick frame it and get 2,300 square feet production with 3 installers in 3 days.
Actually, put everything on the you start everything on the ground, put your nubs in on every cross tee, just like it's made for. We did everything on the ground. All the guys that were up on top had to do was raise the system up, just one tee, and then just install everything, stick frame, and it was so simple, so easy, and the guys loved it that way. It was a lot easier.
And that's how they were able to take this job and stick frame it, 2,300 square feet, 3 installers in 3 days. Okay, I have Patrick Smith. He's the project manager with Lasko. And, Patrick, out here on the job is, what type of productivity did you get installing in this big room?
Yeah, no, putting the grid in itself, it was no more than probably 1.5 to 2 times, maybe longer than typical 15/16. It went together very well and very smooth. So it's really not too much more at all.
We have installation specialists in every region, and we like to get them out to jobs with new products like this. And Donald was out here.
Donald came out multiple times. He helped us get things kicked off, and he really gave us some good insight and information on how this thing goes together, and it really helped us put this thing up quickly.
So that about sums it up down here in Austin. The other one thing I wanted to point out is the fixtures that are going in here. The lighting is Axis lighting, and the diffusers are from Price. And both Axis and Price are partners of ours, and we have standard size fixtures from them that will fit into our DynaMax grid system, so you don't have to order special sizes or anything. It's all specially made for the DynaMax system. So keep that in mind when you're working with the systems. There's no need to special order ceiling panels, diffusers, or light fixtures, because everything fits in the DynaMax system if you use our partner program. Do you like what you see with DynaMax? Simplify your next project with shop drawing support and installation training through our regional installation specialists. Ceiling panels and partner fixtures that fit are a big plus. To learn more, visit armstrongceilings.com/DynaMax.